Okay guys, so I just got this mini welding machine, and you have to say thank God for Ingco, because if Ingco was not possible in our country, or lots of us would not be owning a small little nice inverter like this inverter welding machine. Someone did a work for me, and he was using one like this, and the welding machine, it performed very great. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna try get one as well. And I went, and it was reasonable price. It's 160 amp, yeah, 160 amp, and it have the electrode, nice grounding rod, it have the chipping hammer as well. Very great machine. Actually today we're gonna use it for the first time. We're gonna use it for the first time. I already have mine welder guy, and we're gonna see how it's performed, hoping that it's performed just like the way the other guy machine performed. So it already have the slots lined up. You notice it's have a little hump that goes between there, and then you rotate to the right, and you do the same thing for the grounding rod, or the grounding electrode, grounding clamp. Yeah, some of the terms are not good. They feel nice, and it's set to 20. The only thing I have to cut this is, so maybe next time, and replace it. It came with this not mini, its own face shield, but I'm looking for a better face shield than this. Actually I borrowed one, and I don't know what it's for, to check the book for this. Yeah, so we're gonna see. Yeah, it have come with the book as well, and also it have a strap that goes this hole here and here. So I'm gonna get the welder guy to come and start welding, but first we're gonna do some measurements first. You know, the grounding clamp as well as feel well rub there as well. So now I'll be practicing with this machine, which is my own machine. And remember, this is not for rent, it's not for borrowing. Okay? As I mentioned before, I am not a professional welder, I'm just a beginner welder. Okay? I'm just a beginner welder. So this is the ground. It's very easy to install as well. I cannot see. I know the 12 gauge is performing very well. I'm like it. Thank you for watching. Woo woo woo.